Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for all the support, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna pick up on yourself. Yeah, we come to talk a little bit about the saga continues, the letter saga continues because head teacher come out and beat and teach. Yeah, we know if we question the letter. Yeah, she beat the picnic them and teach them say about allegedly and content. Yes, and that me get that me see I go on, but me did analyze. Yeah, me did analyze and summarize. Yeah, and me did think say yeah, it did look like say it's factual. Yeah, and no make up to worry. Yeah, from what the workout says that I make up, it's not made up. Yes, so she come up and she confirmed. And in one letter and more than one letter, yes, wasn't one, there was many letters, yes, but this one, I would add, yeah, was worse than the all of them, the rest of them, the one that she's talking about, yes. So allegedly, as she said, we say, allegedly, for one of us say, she was basically telling, people that was questioning the letter to keep at them out because, yes, investigation went on. Interrogation was the words went on, yes. This individual that spoke to her, yeah, about it, she was interrogated and, yes, they showed her the letter, yes. So it wasn't like a little interview. It was an investigation. So, information, they would have to show the information. Yes, they would have to show the letter. Yeah, because when we go about the place that people were saying about they can't believe, say, them select and so on. So, and she said that was the case. So, yeah, so this is serious. Yes. Serious shite, yes, serious. Yeah, because the lady gets a beaten, yes. The lady been doing our award show for years now, yes, and people are fighting her now. Yeah, these people, these social media miscreants, yes, are going around creating a lot of problems behind the scene, yes. Trying to tarnish the lady's brand. Yes, that's what they're doing, trying to tarnish the lady's brand. Yes, so the lady needs some legal, yeah, she needs to fix them. She needs to try and fix them because surely, if they dig deep, they should know where these letters coming from. Yes, and these people shouldn't be able to do these things and get away with it. They can't tear down somebody's empire that they never did build. You never build a person's empire, but you want to tear it down. Yeah, this is very serious. Yes, this is like a social media witch hunt. And as we say, the lady said they inserted a certain individual in a hit because, them always insert that individual in it. Yeah, because from what we can see, that anybody that's linked to that individual, they always tend to want to insert them into it, yes, and say all these things. Yeah, so, these people are just sitting back to rejoice about people's downfall, yes. I may see, yes, these people are doing, media social. And it is not acceptable. Yeah, this behavior on social media is not acceptable. Yeah, them say them the bad mind and they're not covetous and they're not. I think this is gone further than bad mind. Yes, this is gone further than bad mind. Yeah, so I like me I just say anyway. We not go talk too long. I hope for something I go on, to be honest. But I just want to talk about peer group pressure, social media pressure, groups. These groups on social media. I'm not in a no group. I'm in a my own little lane over here. So yes, I've never been in a no group. No group passing. No group, team or group or anything. I've never been in anything like that. So, but something is still going on. I see certain people, you're thinking, there is people in the background, these people in the background, yes, because even this letter writing now, it's a grouping thing in the background and creates problems, yes. And social media, so these people group up and they want to influence people to believe what they're saying, yeah. Yeah, so when you influence, you become brainwashed and people trying to force them believe and them values and certain behaviors, yeah, then why if you do what them a do, and then then send out certain people if you go do them dirty work for them, yes. You see, you can we sit up back and me analyze and me summarize as me normally say. And when we sit back and watch certain things and that me see certain individuals have been sent out to do dirty work for certain people. Yeah. And that me see, yeah. People are trying to control people on the internet, yes. They're trying to control them, yes. Tell them where they can go, where they can't go, and all these things, grown adults should be able to go where they want to go. It shouldn't have to be no groups, and so on. So, these people now are manipulating people, yeah, manipulation are going too. A lot of that are going, yeah. So, how can these people, as I say, how can these people go to bed at night and sleep when them doing the most on social media and I do some wicked, yeah, you have to call it wicked and evil things behind closed doors just because them don't like somebody or they don't like to see somebody's success, and even if somebody making up story on social media if you say, they got this or they got that. As I say, I don't tell nobody my business. I've always been a very private person, and that's the best way to be from what I can see on social media. You can't tell people what you're doing if you have a business. Yeah, you have to keep that quiet. I mean, hear some stupid talk about if on social media you wouldn't do this and you wouldn't do that. You couldn't do this and you couldn't do this. And look, now you're getting it in at this age. Does it matter what age you get certain things, or why that social media, why you get it? At least that individual was smart and make something of them life out of social media. That's what I'm gonna say. It doesn't matter what age you get anything, yeah, as long as you get it as some you see it, yeah. And social media, Facebook or Instagram or wherever, a lot of people use them platforms to promote their business. So I don't see why people can talk so stupid. Intelligent people I talk behaving like that sometimes, and that sometimes, when we hear them I talk, we just walk around, we I can't be listening to this nonsense, yes. So, yeah, so people are in the background, creating problems, yeah, them hiding in the background, them pretending as well, like say, them not involved in that group, them distance themselves from this group, from certain groups, and sometimes don't believe it, all this cussing, and galangins, go so, yeah, them trying to distract like say them not involved, but behind closed doors, yes, them involved in the group, in certain groups, and them run in the background, yeah, the mastermind them if you write the letter and do all kind of things, yes, them in the background, yes, and them are the ones that causing, the problem. A hack and attack and do all them something there, yeah. And we have to say, it's very weird about this hacking and attacking and whatever, because it's just seems to be around certain individuals on social media. So it's a little bit suspicious, I'm wondering. But maybe